Hi everyone, this is Syed, and welcome back to our channel, Tech Hunter. In today's video, we're going to explore an exciting new feature: how to clone your own voice using Suno AI. Recently, Suno AI has introduced a voice cloning feature that allows users to create a digital version of their own voice. While this feature is still in development and may not yet deliver perfect results, it already shows a lot of potential. From my experience, the cloned voice may not sound exactly identical, but with a high-quality recording, you can achieve a result that is very close and quite impressive. To get the best possible outcome, the first step is to record a clean and high-quality voice sample. You can use any audio recording or music production software, such as Audacity, FL Studio, or similar tools. In my case, I'm using Audacity, which is a free and beginner-friendly software. I've already created a complete tutorial on my channel explaining how to record professional quality vocals using Audacity. If you're new and not familiar with the software, I highly recommend checking out that video first. Once your recording is complete, export the audio file to your computer using proper settings for the best quality. I've already exported my sample, so I'll be using that file for this demonstration. Now, open Suno AI and go to the Create section. Here, you'll find a new option under the Voice section, marked as New. Click on it and you'll see the option to create a new voice. A list of voices you've already created. To create a new voice, click on Create Voice. You'll now see an interface with multiple options. You can record your voice instantly, or upload a pre-recorded audio file. I recommend using the upload option because instant recording may not provide good quality if you don't have a professional microphone. Before uploading, you'll need to accept the terms. Then, upload your audio file. Suno AI requires approximately 4 minutes of audio, so make sure your sample is at least 4 minutes long. If your recording is longer, you can trim it accordingly. After uploading, Suno AI will ask you to verify your voice by reading a short line aloud. Once verification is complete, select your skill level, give your voice a name. Optionally, add an image. Finally, click Save to store your cloned voice. Now, go back to the Create section and open the Voice tab again. You'll see your saved voice in the list. Simply select it and you're ready to use it in your projects. Keep in mind that this feature is currently available only in the Pro version of Suno AI. If you are using the free plan, you won't have access to voice cloning yet. To sum it up, Suno AI's voice cloning feature is a powerful tool with great future potential. Although it's still improving, you can already achieve surprisingly good results by using a clean, well-recorded voice sample. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect even more realistic and accurate voice cloning in the future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials on Suno AI and audio recording techniques here on Tech Hunter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.